Presented by Listen Headlines. Latest financial news from trusted sources.
Wall Street Journal Markets. October 26. 7:20 America, New York. Chinese stocks are frozen but India's are overcooked. Selling China and buying India has been a popular trade this year, but the Indian market is starting to look pricey.
New York Times Business. October 26. 7:19 America, New York. Days away from its deadline, Tyson reaches a 96% vaccination rate. The company has said workers must be vaccinated by November 1 as a condition of employment.
Wall Street Journal Markets. October 26. 7:15 America, New York. Facebook, backed, GE, Alphabet. What to watch when the stock market opens today. Facebook shares rose pre-market after social media giant posted earnings. General Electric also gained on results.
New York Times Business. October 26. 7:12 America, New York. Tyson reaches 96% vaccination rate, days from its deadline. The company has said workers must be vaccinated by November 1 as a condition of employment. Tyson was one of the first major companies to mandate vaccines after incentives like paid time off to be inoculated started to lose traction.
BBC News Business. October 26. 7:08 America, New York. Ikea buys landmark Topshop building in London. The £378 million deal for the Oxford Street site is part of the furniture giant's plan to open inner-city shops.
Forex Live. October 26. 7:07 America, New York. Dollar eases as risk keeps firmer on the session. Dollar slips against major currencies, except against the yen. The greenback is mostly lower now as it slumps to fresh lows on the day against the euro, pound, franc, loonie, and kiwi currently.
Wall Street Journal Markets. October 26. 7 o'clock America, New York. The Lowdown on the third quarter slowdown. The Commerce Department will release its first read on third quarter gross domestic product on Thursday. The median estimate among economists polled by the Wall Street Journal is for a 2.8% annual growth rate, but the range of estimates is wide.
Daily FX Market News. October 26. 7 o'clock America, New York. USD sold, GBP, USD flips net long an amp. CAD buying boosted, COT report. USD sold for second consecutive week. Asset managers seek GBP ahead of possible bow rate rise. CAD longs jump.
Digital Finance. October 26. 6:56 America, New York. Toko Crypto hopes to lure Indonesian money home. The Indonesian crypto operator says its upcoming fundraise will build reasons for offshore money to return. The post Toko Crypto hopes to lure Indonesian money home appeared first on Digital Finance.
BBC News Business. October 26. 6:56 America, New York. New funding plan paves way for Sizewell C nuclear plant. The new rules, to be announced in Parliament, will boost the prospects of the £20 billion project in Suffolk.
Forex Live. October 26. 6:52 America, New York. Cable buyers look to retest last week's highs on shove back above 1.3800. GBP, USD trades up by 0.4% to 1.3820 on the day that has seen the pound push up to lead gains in the major currencies space, with cable rising from 1.3780 earlier to 1.3820, pushing past its 100-hour moving average, redline.
Naked Capitalism. October 26. 6:48 America, New York. Italy's latest rescue of perennially troubled Monte dei Paschi hits the rocks. Even former ECB chairman Mario Draghi, now in his new role as Italian Prime Minister, can't convince other Italian banks to take on the world's oldest lender.
Global Economy. October 26. 6:46 America, New York. Export credit agencies have stepped up during the pandemic. The industry has helped backstop sectors such as airlines hit hard by COVID, saving companies and jobs.
Forex Live. October 26. 6:33 America, New York. WTO reportedly agrees to Australia's request to examine China's duties on wine imports. Reuters reports, citing a trade source familiar with the matter, it is reported that the WTO will establish a dispute settlement panel to examine the matter at hand, which came about earlier in the year as Australia and China relations soured amid calls to probe into the COVID-19 origins at the time.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business. October 26. 6:32 America, New York. Mucinex owner sees surge in demand as colds, flu return. Reckitt Benckiser said demand for its cold and the flu products was picking up as social distancing eases, helping it report stronger quarterly sales and raise its guidance for the year.
BBC News Business. October 26, 6:25 America, New York. Will coffee drinkers plump for potato milk? Waitrose says shoppers are more climate conscious and are looking for more dairy alternatives.
Forex Live. October 26, 6:07 America, New York. China urges Evergrande founder to pay up debt with own personal wealth. China regulators have also met with and warned companies in key sectors to proactively prepare for foreign debt repayments. Forex Live. October 26, 6:05 America, New York. UK October CBI retailing reported sales 30 versus 13 expected. Latest data released by UK CBI the 26th of October 2021. Disruption to supply chains, combined with staff shortages and uncertain public health conditions mean retailers are finding it difficult to plan for the winter ahead.
Wall Street Journal US Business. October 26, 6:01 America, New York. Bad Bets, Episode 3. Hear from the whistleblowers who exposed Enron's financial engineering.
Daily FX Market News. October 26, 5:45 America, New York. Canadian dollar outlook. Bank of Canada will drive the next move in USD, CAD. The Bank of Canada is fully expected to leave rates untouched tomorrow, but traders should be wary of official inflation and bond buying commentary.
Naked Capitalism. October 26, 5:40 America, New York. Net zero, insulation, boilers, and English dampness, or symbol manipulators versus existing conditions. The English gas boiler is a microcosm of Anglosphere elites' inability to come up with realistic carbon reduction schemes.
Daily FX Market News. October 26, 5:30 America, New York. Crypto update. Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH, aim for ATH as rally continues. Cryptos are back on the rise as investors continue to buy the dip ahead of new all-time highs.
Wall Street Journal US Business. October 26, 5:30 America, New York. Facebook encounters challenge in bid to hire a prominent Democratic lobbyist. The social media company is trying to hire a big-name Democrat to oversee its U.S. lobbying operations. But the company's strained relations with the White House and Congress have some Democrats wary of signing on.